Hello everyone. Today we will introduce how you use to Delmar Academy software. Let's begin. First of all, when you enter the ID and the password, you'll see this homepage. What is included in the homepage? You can see your certificates on the right side. For example, initial level 1 or level 2, you can use your all certificates on the right side. Also, you'll see your available coins right now. You can see how much coins I have. And if you want to buy a coin, you can conduct your operations. Either this section you can see, you can click only that one or that one or that one, or you can go to coins section and buy coins. Anyway, in the homepage, you'll see all these things, coins, and your also certificates. And their waiting service verbs items. What's that? This is actually the work items about the vessel, like the jobs like the annual release year or vintage or like whatever you conduct, you'll see all your inspections or your work items there. Okay, we will go now the profile. In the profile section, you'll see your all details. For example, name, surname, passport, identification number, nationality, email, and etc. etc. You can see all the details on the profile. And on the left side, you can also go there. You'll see the profile picture, and you can see that. And when you click that, you can also upload the necessary profile picture, whatever you want. Actually, you can upload your picture from there. And also, you can see the stamp and signature section. It will be comes automatically without sign, but if you want to add your signature to this stamp, what you are going to do is actually first of all download this stamp and then sign it and then scan it and then finally email us info@delmaracademy.org. You can send all your signature and stamp to our email, and after that we will add your stamp and the signature. Anyway, there you will see also the applications. What are they? Actually, they are the courses that you attended already. You can also search and you can also go to details about your course, about the days, for example, location, etc. etc. You can just click that. And there you will see also the certificates. As I mentioned to you in the homepage, it's the same actually. You can also click and download your certificates. And you can also see the identity card. What is that? Actually, this is your ID card. You can also scan there, or you can also print or download. How you can do is this is actually really easy. Just click there and then another section will be open, and after that you'll see the all necessary informations there. For example, your photo will be there. When you upload it, of course, your email, your birth date, and Delmar Academy ID, and your certificate numbers. And also their ID cards. There's also QR code. You can also scan there. Whatever you want. We suggest you that before you go to inspection, before you go to vessel, please print your ID cards and shows the necessary administrations such as recognized organizations, class, or like in the shipmasters or who request you can just scan your QR code and they easily access all your details. There's no any like harder than this. Just click and download your ID card. Anyway, in the profile section, this is all the informations about you. Please correct necessary informations, all these blank sections, because in our software, some information such as your passport number or maybe your like name, surname, maybe your like company tax note, all these informations goes our software and it's actually used for some operations. That's why you should blank all these informations correctly. Please do not forget it. Anyway, let's jump applications. What we are going to see actually applications, you'll see your courses that you attended already. For example, your info, your date, your also course name and price and etc. etc. All necessary informations will be there in the application section. payments. When you click the payments, you can see all your payments transactions, for example, coins, for example, your course amount, all things will be there, payments. And if you want, you can also export to Excel, or if you want, you can also like search from there, and you can also filter there. Whatever you want, actually, your all payments detail will be there. You can use all necessary details like export to Excel or like filtering or etc. etc. Now we will go to service works, and actually this is the most important things, the right to certificates and how we do that, how we write the certificates, etc. Now we will see all details in the service works section. I click the service works, and in this page, in your page actually will be the blank because you didn't carry out any inspection yet. What you're going to do actually is really easy. First of all, you will go to service works, this page, and then on the right side you can see add new service word. Just click there. After that, you will see all necessary information about the vessel. First of all, you will enter this necessary information, like for example trial owners and trial managers, and I'm just writing some informations like trial vessel, and I'm choosing the vessel flag and vessel class and the year of build and call sign, of course. And there you will see the planet start date and planet end date. What is this? This is actually the requirements because of the MSc. When you click the planet start date and the planet end date, our software takes these informations and automatically generate the employer orders. What is the employer order? Actually, employer order is a document that shows you your company, your technician, and Delmar correlated and works together. Just the necessary vessel temporarily, actually. This is the planet start date and the planet end date. For example, your vessels comes like that date, and you plan the end your inspections like approximately just like for example maybe 4 days, maybe 3 days. I'm just writing the like, you can choose whatever you want. I'm choose this date, the start and the end date, that one. You can also change it when you click and add new data and when you go to another page, etc. Oh, that's why please do not worry about these days. Just enter approximate the dates and then you can also revise these dates. Service location, I'm also enter some service location, and that's you'll see the service type. What is this actually? This is your jobs. You can see the survival craft launch, range and release year, also inspection annual and 5 yearly, and the quantity. I'm adding, for example, survival craft annual. You can see 2 coin. If I add the 5 yearly, it will be the twice as like the 4 coin. It's same actually in the other things. For example, launching advices, I let annual. You can see the 2 coin, and I let 1 5 yearly and 4 coin. Range annual, you can see the 0. Also, the 5 yearly is 0. That's why I'm not adding. And release year, you'll see the release year type section only because when you click the like for example offload or for example David launch life raft automatic release year, etc. System takes that and calculate the necessary coin. That's why you should select the type of your release year. Anyway, I'm adding annual and like offload. I'm adding, you can see 0 coin, but if I add rescue bots release year, for example, you'll see the 1 coin, and that's 5 yearly will be the twice like the 2 coin. You can understand the all calculation for like RDA coins. Anyway, you can also see your available coins. By the way, in this section, if you have 0 coin, just imagine you have 0 coin, but you're adding these items. You can also go without any coin on that page. You can go add new data because when you can calculate your coins, you'll see your necessary coins. For example, I need on that job 13 coin. Now I know that I need that coin and I'm going that page. You remember the buy coins, and I'm going that page and buy coin, and after that all necessary coins will be delivered to my account. So you add all necessary items there and you add like vessels informations, etc., etc. You know that. And after that, I'm clicking the add new data and go to service works details. Yeah, when you enter the all necessary informations, you will be automatically there with this page. What is this page? The service works. Actually, you can also enter this left sides when you click that service works. Anyway, you will see the all informations like owner, specify type, email number, and name, flag, and etc. etc. that all you already entered before. All informations that were directly from there. So also we mentioned that the plan start date and the plan end date, both of them are necessary to create the employee order. When you click all these documents, deals automatically downloaded in the milliseconds. That's why these directly generate from our website employee order. Also, you can directly download all necessary clause and other documents from there. Just click that. And you will see also the ServiceWorks items that we already added before. So you see that the 13 coins necessary and 7 ServiceWorks items. Also, you can see the ServiceWorks items, several crafts, launch, winch, release, and inspection type like annual and 5-yearly type and maker. These are blank, as you can see. When you enter the checklist and the necessary make and type informations, these data will come automatically from our website. And you remember that we already choose the release year type. Because of that, these are written like offload and rescue boss automatic. Also, you can see the necessary cost coins like 2, 4, 2, etc. You can also see that. Also, you can see the all updated dates and etc. etc. All necessary informations will be there. What we are going to do is to fill the checklist, and what we are going to do, just click there. You see that this icon, just click and you will directly go to automatically this page. What is this page? Actually, this is our checklist. What we are going to do is just fill the necessary information. So for example, totally enclosed, I'm just clicking randomly and type and Siri. You can also write, or you can just go, and after that you can fill these informations like for example this, and also serial number, year of manufacture, also the capacity. I'm just writing random, forward, aft, starboard, and port. I'm just writing outboard engine and maker. I'm just writing series and serial number. Okay, and now I just click update data and view checklist. When I enter this button, it will go directly to this page. What is that? You can also see the blank checklist of these all items. When you go to inspection, when you go to vessel, you can click and download this blank checklist and it will help you. And also you will see the necessary part A and part B and part C. It goes blah 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 to there. And you will also see the loads equipments, like for example for the ratio and expire date. You'll read the random these dates. You have to all informations like there. I'm just clicking etc. These are all okay. And fire extinguisher inspected date, I'm just writing randomly, and inspected satisfactory or repair recommended or not applicable or remark. You can also choose all of them. You see that both are their notes and remark. You can also write there your notes. Also, you can write there for the remark and etc. and repair and whatever you want. I'm just checking all this data, and also you can see this warning like the 65 checklist item is left. That's why there is no any button that I will go. That's why every time I need to fill these informations. Otherwise, I cannot go to write the certificate, and I cannot print, and I cannot download, I cannot do actually anything. If I don't do this anyway, I'm just clicking that one, and that one. By the way, you can also use that when you click this button, it will automatically write the all inspected and the satisfactory. So you can also see that all this group set it as inspected and satisfactory when I click that. Also, you can go there and you can also do the same thing for part B. And I'm going for part C. And I'm going for part D. and part E, and part F, and part G. I'm just clicking and balance system also inspected. I already do these things and come there. You see that this warning goes out. That's why we can now go to another step. Also, you can check the step that you do, like for example, the work item that we entered to all vessel informations, etc. in our checklist for survival craft. This is the second step, actually, step 2. And the final step is the files. What's that actually? You will see that the bottom of the page, like to complete the service workshop, you have to upload at least 4 files. What is that actually? It is the photos, the videos that the inspected items, like for example, survival craft, like for example, release year, etc. What did you inspected? You have to every time upload at least 4 files of this work. Otherwise, our machine learning algorithm will detect that and you will get the warning email. In the first time actually, you will get the warning email. In the second time, we will call or we will send you a special email from directly to our quality assurance manager. And if you take the second email from our quality manager department, this is your last chance actually, because there will be no third time. The second actually is the last time. If we detect anything about your checklist, anything about your work or etc. exceed second time, your account will be cancelled for 1 month. Actually, this is really important. That's why we every time recommend you that please watch this video and after that fill and deliver the all checklist. Otherwise, your account may be cancelled because of the some things, like for example, missing files, for example, missing photo or like missing evidence or missing service works, etc. If you don't do that, we have to cancel your account due to quality management document and quality management system. Anyway, when you click that, you'll directly redirect this page, and when you click that, you will upload the all necessary informations. At this button, this will automatically directly like open your files. When you open the necessary file, that you can also choose and go to necessary documents. You will upload at least 4 files. You remember that? That's why I'm choosing that one and that and that and that and open it and upload the files. When I click that, you can also see the all photo, all video or document, whatever you upload there. This is aware that all these items goes our database actually, and our algorithm detects if there is something wrong. Anyway, you will see the finish and go back to main service work. I click that. When I click that, you'll see that this completed and goes the green. You can also see that the completed. When you want to download to all checklists and all certificates, you have to complete all jobs. Otherwise, there will be no any button that downloads the service works. It will comes there. And anyway, that's why I have to every time fill the necessary informations. That's why I'm going the second one, the survival craft type. You remember that? I'm also write randomly like a blah 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 and serial number and that and capacity and year of manufacture, etc. etc. And the serial number, I'm going update data and view checklist, you remember? And I'm using that, set this group as inspected. And that one, you remember? And also that. And that one. And that. Also checking this as inspected. OK. And click. You remember that you have to choose the date because they have the expire date. And I'm just clicking randomly. So going away, and that one, and inspected. And you see the part K operational test. For example, lifeboat weight, like lightweight and kilogram. Also the capacity, like for example, 15. When I do that, like lifeboat weight and the capacity, you also see that all necessary calculations will be made from our software. You can also see that. And there is no any warning. That's why I'm going the next step, upload checklist and upload files. I'm going to final step. Also, you can check from which step you are in. I'm final and I'm choosing, and that one, that and the 4 item I'm uploading, and there will be button. You see that to finish and go back to main service work. I'm going, and you see that also it comes completed. You see that, but all items have to be completed as I told you. That's why we need to fill the necessary informations and blah 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 and save working loads and year of manufacture. Like I'm just randomly choosing, and also the same page, the work item, checklist and files. Also you can see the blank checklist if you want to use. I'm just checking and setting as I inspected of this group. Also I'm going there and I choose inspected and satisfactory. And also these items, there's no any warning. That's why I can go the next step. And you remember that I have to upload my evidence that I conducted the inspection. So I'm uploading. You see, and finish and go back to main service work. So you'll see that also I have to complete this and file type and series, safe working lots and serial number updates, and set this group as inspected. You see, and part C and part D, and there is part A, operational task and law task calculation according to David. So you remember that, like, just imagine like what weight, like 300 and the capacity like 30, and when I click you see all, like for example, water weight, overload weight, total weight and the crew weight. It will directly calculate it from our website. So also safe working load of today weight, like for example, and you see that also these are comes directly from our website, so you don't need any calculate and any math operation etc. So I'm going to next step, update checklist and upload files. You remember already that page? I'm clicking that and I'm choosing the right photo or video or PDF or instruction manual, whatever you upload, and you see the finish and go back. And last 3 items that I have. Also, maybe you're aware that as I mentioned to you before, there is type maker blank, but when you enter and when you complete the service work item, these data comes there, you see. Also, you can check from that page. Anyway, I'm going to winch and also winch type like winch maker, series and serial number, and year of manufacture. So I'm going to the second step and set this group as inspected and go there and go there. I'm going and there's no any warning update, and I'm choosing necessary photo and upload, and also my winches finished. So what I have is two released here. One of them is offload and one of them is rescue bot automatic. So I'm going also, and it's already selected because we did this before. So fall type and like series and serial number, and safe working lodge, and year of manufacture. So I'm going the second step that you remember, and I am setting this group as expected. Also, I'm setting this group part C and part A and part G. You see, and part I, I'm choosing that one, and this and this. There's no warning. I'm going the last step. I have to upload my files, so I'm uploading that, and you see the button. That's I'm going and finishing. Okay, my last item is released year automatic. I'm going there again and again, and I'm choosing like make makers, Harry, and safe working load, and year of manufacture or location and serial number. So also I'm setting this group as expected, and I'm also setting this group and that one, and also these part F. And by the way, you can also understand the necessary informations and also necessary items. Like for example, there's no any warning. Also the red like colored, but there is because I didn't do anything. That's why there's warning about like the red one. It says that like something. Okay, you have to fill myself, otherwise you will see the red one. Like you can also understand that the blank data, like when I click, for example, you see that it will comes to white. Like I'm clicking and it comes directly to white. Anyway, I'm setting this group and also that group, and I'm going the final step. I'm choosing my files and upload and finish. Okay, that's perfect now. I have all completed jobs. As I told you, there were no create service work report before that I already, but if you have the all data, all the service works items as completed, you can also see there, it will comes directly. What is that? The create service work report. When you click that, you will download automatically the all items, the all checklist and all certificates. I'm just clicking. You'll see the warnings like you have blah 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 available coins, because this service book requires 13 coins, but you have 24 coins. When you click that, these coins will be deducted from your account. Okay, I understand that, and I'm clicking create service for PDF. When I click that, another page will open automatically, and you will see all your checklists and all your data. this is the first page actually. What's that? Actually, these are the service dates and the vessel informations. And also, these are your informations. Actually, also there is a QR code. When you scan it or master scan it or like port authority scan it, they will directly go your necessary informations, your ID cards actually. You remember that your profile section, you will see that the ID card, when they scan this QR code, your ID card will open automatically. That's why you can also use this QR code. And also your name will be there and your contact detail and your certificate number and your Delmar Academy ID. Also, when you scan, as I told you, all necessary informations will come to your telephone, will come to your PC, whatever you scan it. So, also, as I told you, there will be a stamp from our company, but if you upload your sign and stamp from your profile page, as I told you, there will be also the sign. That's why you don't need like the print and sign and scan and etc. etc. When you click the service work, it will comes directly, scan it, like sign it and stamp it. Also, this QR code contains the all checklist. And like you can also see your service verbs items and like release year and its goals directly. You can also see like service location, your user, date, signature, and stamp. Also, our checklist will be there. So I am closing and I'm going to another page. What is that? Actually, this is the work items. When you click that, you will see your all work items you conduct inspection before. Like for example, we already added this, but when you add the works like in the time, in the months, there will be a lot of data. You can use either your like quality management system or apply in the recognized organization or whatever you want. These data will be there. When you want export to Excel, just click there and download all necessary items. So, as I told you, there's also coins page. What's that? When you click that to buy coin, you can also go like buy coin from that page. Also, you remember that the home page, the both of them are necessary to buy coin. Also, you can go to coin transactions. What's that? This is actually the coin transactions like debt, then resaleable and remain. And when you do this, etc., etc., all items about the coin transactions will be there. And our final page is the final section, actually, instruction manuals. What's that? When you click that instruction manuals, you will go the 4 category, like the survival craft, release gear, winch, and laundering appliances, according to ISO. When you click like list all manuals, you will see the all makers from survival craft and all necessary instruction manuals. Also, when you click the release gear, it's the same. When you click winch, this is same, all same. Like I'm just clicking and there will be like make, type, and instruction manuals and PDF. When you click that to download the PDF directly, you will have the necessary instruction manuals. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.